Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing the keyboard to your device so Roblox can use it. Turn Bluetooth on, activate pairing mode on the keyboard, then select it from your device's Bluetooth list. Once paired, open a Notes app and type to confirm layout and responsiveness. This prevents surprises inside Roblox. If keys are wrong, change layout in your device settings. Once done, keep the keyboard awake and launch Roblox so the game sees an already connected input device. You now configure and validate controls so gameplay is smooth. Enter a Roblox game and check the in-game controls or settings. Some experiences use default WASD and space for jump, while others remap actions. Practice movement, camera, and chat keys in an empty or low-risk server to avoid interruptions. If movement feels off, adjust sensitivity in your device or game settings and retest. Once comfortable, practice common actions until they feel natural, because muscle memory improves your in-game accuracy and speed. You finish by making the setup stable and addressing common issues quickly. Lock orientation and disable aggressive power saving on your device so Bluetooth stays active. This prevents disconnects mid-play. If keys lag or stop registering, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair the keyboard. Reconnection often fixes driver or sync glitches. If problems persist, test typing in another app to determine whether it's a Roblox-specific input issue or a broader Bluetooth problem, and restart the game or device if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.